Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and of course my dear students. It's really a proud moment for all of us to be in wonderful country, Mauritius, and thanks to the wonderful teamwork and commitment at job by the leader, none other but Mr. Madhuvan. My compliments to him for the wonderful arrangement he has been making. And the budding programmers, our children, need to have logical mind, thinking capability, bringing and producing quality work environment. The quality of work life for their learning scenario in school is totally dependent on their IT skills. I hope everyone agrees with me. The common share, as you know, the first good impression what you develop is before a software, the developed software, and it has to have several qualities before it goes in the hands of the user. And our training to this level, the programming skills, mounts at totally bounded availabilities to their skill and logical development. As we know that the underlying role of software requirements, this may grade to the upper level programming, depends entirely on the capability of that software. And when we talk in classrooms programming, skills may be programming in VB or maybe any particular programming language. The teaching to the level of skills development and the expertise it is going to progress mounts a lot. The software requirements, as you can see on the slide, it is the capability, the capacity of the software to work and of course get a demand in the market. With priority, the vendors to attack the long-lasting have to tackle the problem. And of course it all depends. Why we are using Windows? Because we know it's a quality software. We know Linux is of Mac that's used, but Windows is quite capable, helping us all the way. Urgency and focus, developing literate approach to the development process. The need, once again, to provide training and on-site coaching to educate our clients to utilize this process in their own software development. The must for all, the business requirement analysis, the generation and maintenance of documentation, as we have been telling all, please document your program so that the other user is able to access what training and quality assurance following the test run. Extra points which may relate to the deadline, the cancel, file programs due to the overload, defect counts, and of course the finalized IT system based compatibility. Benefits to vendors that you can ultimately aim for, they are countless as engineers. They need to have the skill of developing this technical feasibility in the best possible manner. Requirements as an engineer, those who fetch for the 12th level programming, that is again an expertise out of the day. Software qualities, maintainability, usability, portability, the testability, reliability, hardware independence, and further, you can see to yourself. The Japanese term of quality in software, the worship boundary as we say, has two meanings. It is in the broader sense, it includes the management and thus may be translated as quality management. In other words, it means quality control. This is achieved through involving people from all levels to perform departments such as design, manufacturing and inspection test. Factors determining software quality: increased software complexity, sophisticated software quality evaluation, and of course the workers' operating environment. Quality software needs to have analysis techniques, definition, design, production and automation. You can see the great automation out of the presentation we have today from the NTI Institute made us more interesting and involved in the presentation, and that was because of the automation capabilities, the JF5s and the JPJ in move. The customer feedback is a proper feedback for the customer's point of view. You need to have given importance to the customer, and a continuous process should go on and on as a permanent license to their capabilities. The customer, the most important visitor on your premises, and of course, children are customers, parents are customers. If we provide quality education to our children, it is basically we are providing a product of quality to somebody who is our customer. The 7 tools that people have been using in quality circle presentation. It can be more, it can be less. Parallel charts, as we have seen in the presentation, has been a unique symbolic representation of data. Histograms, geometries, graphs, scatter plots, stratification are the other tools which we can use for problem solving. No mathematics is related to software, programming, or developing a particular software package. Implication, tools, there we can have tests with a revealing quality tools of problem solving, amounts towards betterment of logical mind and attributes. There is a small mention of my website and the idea of this. With this, I come to the end of my presentation, which was more towards the skill of developing software expertise among the children. I wanted to have an interaction with the children in this regard, since all are IT friendly today, and their programming skills and subject of study varies from boards to boards and classes to classes. All what I can say today is a quality man is a computer literate man. You cannot think of a total literacy without IT literacy. If you are not IT literate, I'm sorry, you are illiterate. And all of you agree with me, I believe so. With this, let me thank the organizers for giving us the great opportunity once again to be in the wonderful country, Mauritius, and of course, the wonderful presentation by the Rayan Group and the MGI Institute has given you the impetus of what quality circle is. So let's practice and make it a perfect practice for involving total excellence in education. Let these boards like TQM, Total Quality Management, and Total Quality Person be the catchy words like internet, email among our children. Let not be their theory of learning when they go for management courses. This should be catch them young. Let them know what TQM is, let them know what Kaizen is, and let them practice at home. Thank you for the wonderful and patient hearing.
यही क्रिएटर है नहीं ना